Right now, you're paying to rent a coding agent that reads your private code on someone else's server. That just ended. A 744 billion parameter agent now runs on your laptop. And by the end, you'll know if it can actually replace the paid one. Here's the deal nobody says out loud. Every one of these slick cloud coding tools is renting you intelligence. Your files, your prompts, your private source code, all of it leaves your machine and runs on a server you'll never see, owned by a company you'll never meet. That's the quiet trade you signed up for. And you pay for the privilege. $20 a month per person, $40 per teammate once you're on a team plan. That's rent on someone else's computer, every month, forever, whether you shipped something brilliant or nothing at all. But money isn't the real cost. This is 100% of your code uploaded. Remember one number, it decides everything. So on July 16th, LM Studio shipped Bionic. They call it the AI agent made for open models. Translation? It's the same kind of agent you're renting today, except it runs open models like GLM 5.2 right on your own hardware. And it promises zero data retention on top of all that. And it's not a toy. Bionic does 3 genuinely real jobs. It reads and edits your codebase with agentic search and inline diffs. It chews through your documents, PDFs, decks, spreadsheets, with automatic checkpoints. And it actually listens, with local voice transcription, so you can simply talk to it. Here's the real fight. Same agent, 2 worlds. One rents you intelligence and takes your code. The other stays home. And the brain behind it? Not small. 744 billion parameters. A genuine frontier-class open model, MIT licensed, yours to download. Okay, 3 parts. Part 1, the wall you're paying to stand behind. Part 2, how a 700 billion parameter model even fits on a local machine. And Part 3, the honest catch that decides whether this actually works for you. Part 1, how on earth does a 744 billion parameter model run on a laptop? One clever trick. Here's the trick. It's a mixture of experts. GLM 5.2 packs 256 experts per layer, but for any single token, only 8 of them actually fire. The whole model is enormous. The part that runs at once is tiny. The number that matters isn't 744 billion. It's 40 billion active per token. That's the real load your hardware carries. And it doesn't forget. A 1 million token context window, big enough to hold your entire code base in a single conversation. That's how it fits. The experts you're not using rest quietly on disk, doing nothing at all. The active slice loads into memory, does the work, and steps aside for the next token to take its turn. Your machine only ever holds the exact part it needs, right now. And this is it running for real. You ask it to refactor a module, it reads your actual local files, and it hands back an inline diff. No round trip to a server, no upload, nothing leaves the room at all. The agent thinking right there on your desk. Same model, 2 prices. Through the API, $4.40 per million output tokens. Local? 0. You own the machine. It doesn't just autocomplete a line and quit. It plans. Ask it to find every single place your code skips a security check, and it searches the entire repository, finds each one, and proposes a clean patch for you to review. That's the full agent loop, planning and acting, running completely on your side. You get agentic search across the repo, inline diffs you approve before anything changes, and automatic checkpoints so you can roll back a bad idea. It's a real agent, not a chat window wearing a code font. And it listens. A 4 billion parameter open model called Voxtral handles the voice, So you talk through edits, on device, no dictation subscription. Even the voice is yours to keep. Voxtral ships as open weights under Apache 2.0. The hosted version bills 0.6 of a cent for every minute. The local one, on your own hardware, bills you exactly nothing. And here's the kicker. The weights are MIT licensed. Download them, modify them, ship them inside a product. No permission slip, no per seat fee, no vendor sitting there holding the keys to your own tools. Add it up. Local model, local voice, local agent. $0 a month. Sounds perfect. Which is exactly why we need the honest part. Now the honest part. Because everything I just told you comes with an asterisk, and it's a big one. Here's the catch, and it's the exact number I told you to hold on to. Yes, only 40 billion parameters run at any one instant. But the full 744 billion still have to live somewhere on your machine, ready to be swapped in. And holding all of that at once needs serious memory. So on a normal laptop, the full model simply won't load. You've got two honest options. Run a smaller open model that actually fits, or reach for the cloud, which is the exact thing you were trying to escape in the first place. And that's the real twist here. Bionic offers a secure cloud fallback for the big models. Convenient, sure, but now your Frontier agent is right back on someone else's server, the very thing you left. And the cloud features are not free either. They want an account and billing setup before you touch them. So that clean $0 story only fully holds when you stay small and stay local. And let's be real about the model itself for a second. 80.3% on GPQA Diamond is genuinely strong for an open model. But on the very hardest reasoning problems, the top closed models still edge it out. Local doesn't automatically mean best, it just means yours. But here's what everyone missed. Even with the catch, one number survives. 0. Zero data retention. Your code staying yours. That part the rental simply can't match. So who should honestly not bother with this? If your laptop is tight on memory, if you genuinely need the single best model on the entire planet, or if you'll never once open a settings file and tune anything, then honestly, keep renting for now. This particular tool just isn't built for you. So the real receipt reads like this. The software? Free. The model? Free. The voice? Free. The catch? Enough memory to run it, or you're quietly paying the cloud after all. One honest number. 40 billion active, plus room for the rest. Clear that bar, and everything changes. So, fire the cloud agent or not? It really comes down to one thing, and the verdict is clearer than you'd expect. So here's the verdict. The honest, no-hype answer to the question in the title. If your machine can hold the model, this is a genuine full replacement. Cheaper, private, and completely yours. If it can't, the cloud agent still wins on pure convenience. That's the whole decision, honestly. The bar is simple. Enough memory to hold the weights with 40 billion running at a time. Clear it, and you never pay coding agent rent again. Want to try it? 3 steps. Download LM Studio. It's free, no account to start. Pick an open model your memory can actually hold. Point it at your repo. 15 minutes, and your code stays home. Screenshot this part if you need it. 15 minutes, $0, and the agent lives on your machine. That's it. Open LM Studio, grab a model that fits, open Bionic, and aim it at your project folder. The moment it answers, you've gone from renting your intelligence to owning it outright. So to recap, the agent went local. The model is a 744 billion parameter open one you can legally own and modify. Your code stops leaving the building. And the only real gate left is the memory sitting inside your machine. And that's the whole point of this channel. Own your stack. Stop renting your intelligence by the month. One Breath, a Frontier-class coding agent. Open weights, running on your own hardware, for nothing a month, as long as your memory can hold it. Owning your stack? Watch the Kimi K3 breakdown next, the open model that beat Claude Opus, right here. This channel takes apart the tools you actually use every week. If this just saved you a subscription, subscribe back. I'll see you in the next one.